We're running a series of hanging basket workshops with occupiers from the park, and we've got a theme that we're using edible hanging baskets here. What we've been doing is just showing them really how to put the basket together. So we've been talking about the structure of the basket and how the plants grow, and so how to group them within the basket, and then just showing them really how to, from basics, how to fill the basket, how to plant it up, and then how to look after it once it's been planted. I think my number one tip would be not to overplant the baskets. I think it's very tempting when the plants are small and young is to fill the basket. Unfortunately then all the plants will crowd themselves out and it just won't work. So it's just holding back in the first place and getting the plants nicely grouped and thinking about the structure of them.